I'm going to follow the Glen Mavis sign. There's 2 roundabouts. I call these roundabouts the donut roundabouts. So like 2 donuts next to each other, or like Specsavers, like a spectacle. So I'm checking my mirror, signaling right, taking the second exit. First exit is on my left, second exit is on my right. It's safe for me to go. I'm coming off the roundabout. The next roundabout, we're taking the 3rd exit, turning right, going towards Glen Mavis, checking my mirror, signaling right. I can see that there's a queue on the roundabout, so I'm maintaining my position here at the giveaway, making sure it's safe for me to go. First exit on the left, second exit is straight ahead, and the 3rd exit is on the right. So I'm moving on to the roundabout because I saw the blocker there. I'm taking this exit, checking my mirror, signaling left. I'm following the highway maintenance van, making sure that I see the lights at the crossing there. They were green, so it's safe for me to go ahead.